And let's get your top story. That's the Prime Minister there inaugurating the Semicon. You have visuals on your screen. This is a three-day conference that will be showcasing India's semiconductor strategy and policy, which envisions making India a global hub for semiconductors. The three-day conference themed, which is shaping the semiconductor future, is part of Prime Minister Modi's broader strategy to establish India as a global leader in semiconductor design, manufacturing as well as technology. Running from today till the 30th, the Semicon will spotlight India's strategic vision for the semiconductor industry. The Prime Minister there launching the Semicon, which is a three-day conference like we mentioned. Of course, Prime Minister Modi there along with Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath accompanying Prime Minister Modi as well. So this conference, which is going to have various companies, 250 companies from different parts of the world participating in this conference over the next 3 days. We have Aishwarya joining us from the conference that is being held here in Greater Noida. Aishwarya, take us through the theme of this conference, which is going to last till the 13th, with the Prime Minister there inaugurating the Semicon.
Well, the theme is shaping the semiconductor future, and as Prime Minister Narendra Modi had time and again spoken on making India a global hub for the semiconductors and how India can lead as far as the entire semiconductor industry is concerned, and how the technology, design and manufacturing can be done in the country. Therefore, the reason perhaps very close to Prime Minister's vision, semiconductors conference, which is currently being held in Greater Noida, is being officially now inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. This is a three-day event at Greater Noida at India Expo Mart, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi first visited the exhibition center over there, and certainly after that there are several there will be a keynote address by Prime Minister Narendra Modi at the Semicon conference over there. Apart from it, we have been told that a lot of VVIPs, CEOs and top semiconductor industry leaders will be arriving at the conference center. More than 250 exhibitors from across 128 countries, 150 speakers will be also participating in this mega conference on the semiconductors. Remember, there was a roundtable also that was held at the 7LKM, where top CEOs from different parts of the world had come and attended under the chairmanship of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. It is Ashwini Vaishnav who also spoken in large about how India had been using this technology as far as their manufacturing sector is concerned, but to bring it and not letting a large part of semiconductors imported from different part of the world is something that India will be looking at. Of course, the vision of this particular conference will lead to different imports, and also to make more manufacturing hubs across the country. Currently, remember, the government of India had invested in large, and there had been several talks which are also going on with different parts, with different countries. There had been memorandum of understandings that had been signed by government of India with different countries, but because it has been stated by the experts that it has lead by 5 to 6 countries across the world, how India can take that lead is something that this conference will also lead to the different debate. Certainly, this is the major theme of the entire expo and the conference, which is currently being held at the India Expo Center at Greater Noida. Prime Minister Narendra Modi officially inaugurating this conference, and will be shortly addressing the keynote address as far as the Semicon conference is concerned.
Aishwarya, when we talk about the Prime Minister there, of course, he has spoken, directly in regard to, in fact, that the semiconductor is the basis of the digital age, and the day is not far when the semiconductor industry will be the bedrock for even our basic necessities, is exactly what the Prime Minister has gone on to say.
Well, certainly, and taking it forward, remember just few days back there was a mega conference that was also attended by the Ministry of Information and Technology as well as the senior leaders from the government of India, stating that how there should be how there has been a massive scope in the India's technology sector, and while there are several companies who had already established in India, currently they are assembling different units after importing different products from outside. But certainly, if we ourselves manufacture and take the semiconductor hub in India, that will give a big boost to the youth of the country as well. And therefore, therefore the reason perhaps just not Prime Minister but the top officials of the government of India also engaging and making it possible to have this conference in India. Certainly, the 3-day conference will shape and guide India's future as far as semiconductors is concerned. But we have been told that as far as the officials are concerned from state governments, including host state Uttar Pradesh, it would be Gujarat, Assam, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Odisha, which will shape their vision for the ecosystem expansion with progressive and the industry-friendly policies for attracting investors from different parts of the world for the semiconductors and display their ecosystem as well. There had been special invitees from different parts of the world who had been roped in for this special conference. The Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology also stated that the expectation primarily is the participation of large number of the companies, and especially there are two areas which particularly had been themed upon as far as this conference is concerned, which are the area of interest as well. One area is how to build the overall ecosystem of the semiconductors in India, which also includes the companies that will manufacture the equipments, the design, the technology, and also on the other side how the infrastructure can be provided to these companies so that they can come in the in our country and can design and manufacture the semiconductor units as well. So certainly a very important conference.
Right, Aishwarya.
Prime Minister officially inaugurating Semicon at Greater Noida India Expo Center.
Of course, Aishwarya, with a focus on Make in India and Make for the World initiatives, of course, we will keep tracking that story and coming back to you for more on that. 250 companies from 24 countries that will be participating during that 3-day event.